Happy birthday, Kobe! Happy first birthday!
Happy first birthday!
Ginalingan ni Mama at saka ni Papa para sa first birthday mo. We know that you will appreciate it someday. And we'll do our best para lahat ng mga next mo pang birthdays mas maging magical pa at mas maging happy pa at mas maging kompleto pa.
Rivers falling from your eyes, emptiness you cannot hide. Voices said we can cross the valley in between us. Oh,
Happy birthday, anak! Sana lumaki ka ng good boy. Sana matulad ka kay Papa na good boy.
Yes.
And sana maging makajos ka at maging cute na bata. Sana magkaroon ko pa ng kapatid.
go, just keep your heart beat close, and I will change this, and we will make it out from under all the doubt that's running through our veins. It's not too late.
Hi, happy birthday Kobe. Ninong here lang palagi sa sa tabi mo. Pag may kailangan ka, pag laki mo, punta ka lang kay Ninong. See you in the future, Kobe. And God bless.
Somewhere, come on now, take me back. It's like, whoa, you and me forever, and it's like,
Hi, Kobe Bryant! Annyeong! Ninang Sir, God bless you always and makinig ka lagi kila mommy and daddy mo and stay healthy. Tapos, wish ko na lahat ng gusto mo in the future. Siyempre, papanoorin mo to pag malaki ka na, no? Matupad mo siya.
and it's like, whoa,
Happy birthday, Kobe!
me forever, and it's like, whoa.
Hi Kobe. Happy first birthday. And it's me, Tito Rod. Hope you grow well, be well, and sana maging masunurin ka sa mom and dad mo. So good luck anak and see you around. See you in the office very soon. Happy birthday Kobe.